Is 7:15 here in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're doing 5 boxes of Elite Extra Edition Baseball. This is number 82, I believe. No, 80. Number 80 on eBay, guys. Thank you guys for jumping in. As always, good luck to you all. Hopefully we hit some nice cards. Diamond Kings Baseball ending now on eBay. Jump in, jump in, jump in. Forrest Whitley, Kyle Garlick, out of 999. Then we got an on-card auto of Mitchell White out of 100 for the Dodgers. And a Dakota Hudson on-card auto. And out of 75, Joel Lugo for the Diamondbacks. All right. Out of 999, Ian Anderson and Steven Duggar. Connor Walsh auto for the White Sox. Jersey auto out of 99, Keston Hiura, Team USA. And Anthony K out of 200 for the Mets. Twins just ended. We're on the Mets and Yankees and Diamond Kings. Mets, Yankees ending in Diamond Kings now. Out of 999, George Briner Bell and Riley Pint. Triple jersey, Alex Bregman out of 99 for the Astros out of 99. And an on-card auto of Dylan Carlson for the Cardinals. And then Anthony Greer out of 49, die cut for the Diamondbacks. Cole Stobie. Want some Stobies? We'll get him sometime. We'll get him eventually. Old Stobie. Where are you, Stobie? $9.99, Dalvin Perez and Andy Ibanez. Peter Alonso out of 99 for the Mets. Out of 50, Kyle Muller for the Braves. Auto blue. Kyle Muller. And out of 50, on-card Brandon Waddell for the Pirates. Pirates. Mets just ended. We're on the Yankees and Athletics. Yankees Athletics ending now. Out of 999, Sheffield and Wood. Out of 200, Josh Van Meter for the Padres. Isaiah White for the Marlins, auto. And a dual jersey of Mason Thompson out of 299 for the Padres. All right, on to box 2. On to box 2. All right. Need some sick patches. Come on. All right. Out of 999, Corbin Burns and Alex Speas. Out of 75, die cut auto Braulio Ortiz for the Reds. Out of 75, on-card auto for the Rockies, Robert Tyler. And a die cut out of 99, Connor Jones. Out of 999, Connor Jones and Yu Chang. There is Chi Wei Hu auto for the Tampa Bay Rays. Dual jersey Braden Webb out of 299 for the Brew Crew. And out of 200, Matt Thaiss. Man, where's something. Give me something. Shoot, I didn't pick very good. Out of 999, Dakota Hudson and Hoy-Jun Park. On-card auto, Anderson Espinoza for the Red Sox. On-card auto, Alex Reyes for the Cardinals. And out of 75, Corbin Burns for the Brewers. Out of 999, Phil Maton and Zach Tragerton. Eric Stout auto for the Royals. And jersey auto, Mike Rivera out of 99 for Team USA. And out of 200, Alberto Mejia. Dogs don't ever shut up. Out of 999, Robert Tyler and Will Craig. Quad jerseys for the Yankees out of 149, Aaron Judge for the Yankees. Out of 100, on-card auto for the A's, Dalton Jeffries. And a die cut out of... Hey! Out of 49, Skylar Zinski for the Oakland Athletics. You guys be quiet. I'm calling a patch in this one. I'm calling a sick patch. I'm calling it. You gotta call it. Carter Kaboom, Mark Mathias out of 999. And I did call it. And it's a 3-color patch, 1 of 25. Yeah, we had to pull Contenders Draft because our distributor lost the product until today. So we had to pull Contenders Draft until tomorrow. So that's why there's a gap. For the Indians, 3-color patch out of Clint Frazier. 22 of 25 for the Reds, Ryan Hendricks. Yeah. And out of 99, Blake Rutherford. Yep. Always fun. Always fun. Out of 999, Kyle Lewis and Gerber, baby. Out of 200, Zach Gallen. Out of 50, Drew Smith for the Tigers. And out of 10, 4 of 10 for the Angels, Chris Rodriguez. Out of 999, Drew Smith and Braden Webb. Tie-dye out of 25, Jace Vines for the Royals. For the Yankees, Josh Rogers. Auto. And a jumbo jersey out of 49 for the Padres, Manuel Margot. There he is. Cole Stobie. And Khalil Lee. Miguel Angel Sierra auto. I'm gonna kill some dogs. That's what I am gonna get to do. Out of 75, on-card auto, Matt Stram for the Royals. And Dustin May out of 200. You got your stove. You can now breathe easy. Out of 999, Rorvit and Dunning. 4/10, Travis McGregor, tie-dye die cut for the Pirates. And Scott Heineman, auto for the Rangers. And a jersey out of 299 of Clint Frazier for the Indians. That was a much better box. Lower number cards, patch auto. This one is not going to be a patch. Now, there's been 2 Team USAs. Keston Hiura and Mike Rivera. 2 Team USA. This has got to be a patch. Will Benson, Anthony K. It's alright, Notorious. I know you're... Oh, nice. Out of 25, 3-color patch auto, Alex Reyes for the Cardinals. We need his arm to be back attached. 3-color patch auto, Alex Reyes for the Cardinals. Matt Stram on-card auto for the Royals. And out of 99, Matt Theis for the Angels. All right. We got slotched. Out of 999, Matt Crook and Zach Collins. Out of 10 for the White Sox, Bernardo Flores, 4/10 tie-dye auto. Tampa Bay Rays just ended in Diamond Kings. We're on the Rangers, Blue Jays, and Nationals. Out of 100, on-card auto of Nash Walters for the Brewers. And out of 200, Lazaro Armenteros. Out of 999, Espinoza and Harrington. Out of 75, Brian Reynolds for the Giants. Zach Jackson for the Blue Jays. And a jumbo jersey of our good friend Ramil Tapia. Out of 149. Out of 999, David Martinelli and Dietrich Enns. If I could talk. Out of 25, Steven Duggar for the Giants. Die cut auto. 11/25 on that one. And a Skylar Zinski for the A's. On-card auto. And Brian Reynolds out of 200 for the Giants. Woo! Woo! All right, out of 999, Feliciano and Martinez. We got here Mark Mathias for the Indians, and for the Indians, quad relics out of 299, Clint Frazier, and out of 49, Travis McGregor for the Pirates. Blue Jays just ended. We're on the Nationals. Ending now in Diamond Kings. Alright, last box. Good luck, guys. Last box, Mojo. What's up, Big Showzy? I said that like 7 times. He doesn't respond. He don't like me. 999, Ibanez and Ortiz. This guy again, Mr. Duggar out of 100. For the Giants. Quad, jersey out of 199, Campbell Scott, Johnson, Fiedo. And Matt Stram out of 200. And he's got me on mute. I don't want to hear me. He's got me on mute. Out of 999, Brandon Waddell and Jordan Sheffield. Cracked ice ticket out of 24, Mike Rivera for Team USA. 8/24, cracked ice. And for the Red Sox, out of 50, Bobby Dahlbeck. 5 of 50 on-card auto for the Red Sox. Dual jersey, Nolan Williams for the Angels out of 149. And Feliciano out of 49 for the Brewers. There's usually either a lot of Boston or none of Boston. But I mean, you just got that one, Bobby Dahlbeck. Longhee and Busfield. And Roddy Reed out of 50 for the Nationals. And a jersey auto out of 99, Evan Skaug. Team USA. And Ramil Tapia out of 99 for the Rockies. Hooch. Turner and Hooch. No, please. Shit. Out of 999, Pete Alonso and CJ Chatham. Out of 200, Jeremy Martinez. Dual jersey out of 49, Manuel Margot. Red Sox Padres. Out of 50, on-card auto for the Marlins. JT, riddle me this. And last pack of this break. And I'll get the invoices to you for, what's it called? Diamond Kings? Is that what it's called? Steven Alamis and Francis Martez. For the Angels, out of 75, Brandon Marsh. College ticket auto for the Giants, Brian Reynolds. And Cody Sedlock out of 75 for the Orioles. Let me check. I know it has the Red Sox, but don't know if it has the Padres. Billy from Philly, do you have the Padres? Nope, Big Chauncey does. Alright, I got one random to do. One random. Orioles are hard to get. You open a lot. Alright. Red Sox. Padres. Red Sox. Padres. Alright, come on over. We're going to roll the dice. We do not do 2s or 3s, but we will do an 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Goes to the Padres. Getting that dual jersey of Manuel Margot. Alright, Diamond Kings up next.